your tongue. So we're gonna need it. Oh, exercise. Okay. Okay, so you have to go like this.
I gotta exercise the tongue so you don't scream.
Very favorite special reindeer in training because they have been working so hard on learning how to become the best reindeer to be able to deliver your toys on Christmas Eve. Okay, can we introduce you? Absolutely. I brought with us today Miss Dolly. Everyone say hi, Dolly.